Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuits. The moment they hit the table, the world stops. What if we told you that you could make those buttery, garlicky, unbelievably flaky treasures at home? Forget the box mix. Today, we are revealing the secret copycat recipe that you can make at home. Let's start by measuring out 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a large bowl. Next up, half teaspoon of baking soda to help the biscuits puff up. Season with quarter teaspoon of salt. For flavor, add half teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 3 ounces of shredded Old Cheddar cheese that has a sharper and more complex flavor profile. Thoroughly mix the dry ingredients, then set the bowl aside for now so we can start with the wet mixture. In a separate bowl, let's mix 1 cup of buttermilk with half a cup of melted butter. Whisk them well until fully combined. Next, we pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir just until the dry ingredients disappear and try to avoid overworking the dough. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Use an ice cream scoop to drop the dough onto the tray, leaving ample space between each biscuit. If you prefer a tidier presentation, you can lightly press down on the top of the dough. Now, bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While they are baking, chop approximately 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley and transfer it to a small bowl. Then pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Also, add half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well. Now we can use this oil mixture to brush generously over the hot biscuits. That's it! Enjoy these biscuits while they're still hot. If you love this simple recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. And we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.